Welcome to the Lance Burkitt Encounter, where photography, education and reality really do cross their streams. So why should you invest your time and energy listening to the likes of me? Well, I've got over 20 years experience as a working photographer, I've got a Master of the Arts degree in photography, I'm a highly experienced and qualified educator, but the biggie is I've got over 53 years experience as a human being, and that's got to count for something, right? But the channel isn't just about photography and education. I also like to take us down some exciting, obscure and very deep rabbit holes. So alongside the photography and education, and considering that we may very well live in a simulated and highly scripted reality, the podcast is also about seeing through the simulation and the manipulation. Wherever we do find ourselves, I guarantee you that every topic, every frame, every discussion will be raw and unfiltered and delivered through my genuine, working class, brutal honesty. So whether you're a thinker, a dreamer, a photographer, a skeptic, or if you're just sick to death of the daily dose of bullshit force-fed to you through that control device in your hand, subscribe today and let's figure this out together. Oh, did I mention I do a bit of photography? Let's get into it.